I mean, just look at it. It's a perfect product and a perfect ad. This is exactly what it should look like. We're gonna be reacting to the best and worst TikTok organic dropshippers in the world. I mean, this is a perfect example of having a product which is just super controversial and is definitely going to go viral, but is not going to make you sales. I mean, yes, literally by just grabbing this elephant dick thing, instantly you're going to go viral, but the product is kind of terrible. Obviously, you don't need this and you go viral for the completely wrong reasons. But in the following example, though, the product itself is really good, and on top of that, it's super controversial. And that is a deadly combination if executed right. So again, what they did amazingly well is picking a product which by itself, just by showing it, is super controversial. And on top of that, for some people, this product is actually super useful, meaning that this will make insane amounts of sales if you actually go viral with it in the right audience. This is also very important because if this product goes viral for the most friendly Ned Flanders neighbor and only those kind of people will see it, obviously it's also not going to work. So even though the controversy and the product are really, really good, it's still not perfect because not everybody really needs this product. In the end of the day, they still went viral for the right reasons, because they've presented their product in a good light, not like the next clip I'm about to show you, because they messed up big time.
Testing how precise this digital measurement tool is.
I've been losing friends and finding peace, but honestly that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one and I'm still here.
So on this one, even though the controversy worked, which is basically showing a measuring tape and then the measuring is actually completely off, and everybody in the comments is basically saying that the product is measuring everything inaccurately. That's the reason why it went viral, because those guys gave the viewer the opportunity to pretend like they're smart and noticed something which nobody else caught on to. But the problem is, if you go viral for a reason like this, it puts your product in such a bad light that it's not going to convert. And now let me show you the best example of a product that went viral for the perfect reason, which is because the product is so good that people want to buy it.
Check this out. This is our self-refillable mini scuba tank. It allows you to breathe underwater for up to 10 minutes. It's lightweight and hands-free, and the best part is you can fill it up anywhere by hand.
I mean, I'm buying it right now. Look at this product. Everything about it is perfect, because just by explaining what this product does, it shows how amazing your product is. This is the dream scenario. This is the exact reason why I keep plowing down that product research is king. With the right product, you're gonna make your life easier because you just show it and it already goes viral and is super salesy because of how amazing the product is. If you have a product like this, you're gonna notice how easy it is to make amazing content for it. If you want me to teach you how to pick the right product and go viral on TikTok, like I helped Mikey again, who literally made $20,000 in pure profit last month from TikTok organic only after struggling for like a year doing it by himself. If you also want that, I have something for you, because you can click the link below this video, sign up for a call with me, and we're gonna find out if everything is a good fit for a mentoring program. If we both think that it's a good fit, we're gonna start working in a program where I'm gonna push you to the limits in terms of execution, because this program is not for people who are here to get rich quick and want to have a passive income without putting in the work. That's not how it works. This is going to be really hard. However, if you actually do what I tell you, you're going to make a shit ton of money from this. So click the link below and I talk to you soon.